Roll, and today we are in a really cool place. It's a do-it-yourself spotter skate park. It's like 30 kilometers from Barcelona in a secure location, and I'm gonna show you a little bit what it looks like. Here we have a low level. This is pretty cool with a few ledges. Go. Rail. They are building more stuff around here. It's pretty complete, pretty fun for some lines to warm up. And on the other level, you're gonna freak out. I'm gonna show you now. Okay, seems like this is all for today. I'm so tired, I cannot film anymore, I cannot skate anymore. It was a fun session anyway, we didn't film much. This is what happens always with the do-it-yourself parks, where you need more time to get used to the ramps and the obstacles, because every ramp is different, every couping is not perfect, all the little things that make it special, but it's harder to skate. So I could not film so much. We got a few pictures, a few clips, but not much. Like, my legs are killing me, so tired. Yesterday I skated a little bit, so probably I shouldn't have done that, and maybe should have had stronger breakfast because I don't have any energy. But anyway, it was so much fun. I'm looking forward to come back and skate a little bit better, because this place is really amazing and very special. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time. Subscribe to my channel and take care, stay safe. Peace.